This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This get ready amazed because this is undoubtedly hands down incredible. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant, ensuring that it performs flawlessly. It is incredibly user-friendly and built out of highly durable components. The standout factor is definitely how it works better than anything else in the market. It delivers top-tier results effortlessly. If you want something that actually works as advertised, this is it. Don't wait until it's backordered everywhere before it sells out everywhere. This might just be the most satisfying purchase you will make this entire month. This get ready amazed because this is undoubtedly hands down incredible. This viral item is literally everywhere right now. The engineering behind this unit is brilliant,